Let's get into state. So make sure you got your stances on. Guys, you've been doing state training long enough now, so if you want to do the form whilst we go through the state, that's also okay. Yeah? So start with some deep conscious breaths. We always use the breath to just bring our awareness into ourselves, to calm down our nervous system and relax the body. Now center yourself. Softly drawing up from Tai Gong. As you softly draw up, you should feel that all the muscles around the hips, the butt, everything should feel like it releases around Tai Gong. So it shouldn't feel like when you lift Tai Gong, everything pulls up through your hips. It should feel like everything releases around it. Like there's a straw just down near the tailbone that water travels up through, and everything can release around that. So you softly draw up, and then feel the whole line from the tail up to the crown. So you're feeling the space where the whole spine is. Now, from down between your feet, visualize a line coming up from the floor, up through to above your head. So the three components of centering. Softly drawing up Tai Gong, feeling and seeing. Should be no tension or strain. This is not a forceful exercise. It's like you're resting your awareness in your center. Now, bring your intention to mind. Your highest or your spiritual intention. Bringing that into your awareness, whilst you maintain your concentration in your center. So this uplifts the context. This links you to a higher field of consciousness and energy, so you start to let that frequency flow through your body. Centered in your intention. And now sensing the space. It's like you're expanding the sense from the center into the whole space the body occupies. If you can't sense and connect to any part of your body or space, then it's impossible for you to actually release it. It's impossible for you to direct it in the way that we want to do it, connecting into a person. So sensing the space your body's in. You can expand now that sensing around your body. And sense the space surrounding your entire body. And now from above your head, you can start to sink down. You can drop your awareness down through the head, face, brain, and neck, sinking it down to the shoulders, arms, to the torso, the belly, the back, down through the hips, thighs, knees, calves, shins, and feet, sinking down through the whole space. Sinking is really just like an alignment with nature, because gravity always has that downwardness. So you're letting everything consciously release, like a downward flow. And as you sink through your whole space, also letting go. So consciously surrender any upsets or negativities. Consciously surrendering any resistance to any upsets as well. Now, letting that whole condition flow to the line in front of you. That line in front of you represents another person. And their center is exactly like yours, from the earth up to the crown, and feel everything flowing to that line. So now you're using a combination of all parts of the state. You're centering your highest intention, you're sensing, you're sinking, and you're seeing it all flow now to that line. The flow is like a connection, like it's a part of you. So the sensing energy, your highest intention, the sinking, the moving, the visual, all of it flows to that line. Feel the center tall and open, the mind calm, and the body peacefully relaxed. And bring this condition with you into our training today. And use it throughout your daily life, however you wish. Open the eyes when you're ready. Good stuff, guys. So that is the number one thing you want to be practicing. And if you're not doing that every day, you should be ashamed of yourself, and you should start doing it every day. Yeah? Every single day.